Fish with chermoula is a classic Moroccan dish. Chermoula is a type of marinade slash sauce slash condiment slash salsa slash everything sauce. You can double, triple, quadruple the recipe for chermoula. It's fine, and just keep it in the fridge. So when you're ready to use it, you just bring it out to room temperature and stir to emulsify. This dish is perfect for weeknight dinners because fish cooks quickly and you can get dinner on the table in no time. And just like with the other marinades, you're going to want to set some aside and use as a finishing sauce.